Dear students, I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Students, in previous class, we discussed about making Constitution of South Africa. There we saw that South Africa struggled against apartheid as a black law imposed by or introduced by white government. And after a long struggle, they came to draw a constitution, which was not an easy task. Nelson Mandela and their followers, other black leaders, felt very difficulties in drawing constitution. Today we will talk about the making of the Indian Constitution. Like South Africa, making of the Indian Constitution was also not an easy task. It means drawing constitution of the Indian Constitution or of India was also a very difficult task. What were the difficulties in making constitution? As we know, India is a huge and diverse country. It means first reason was huge size and diverse population was first difficulty of making the Indian Constitution. Second difficulties was emerging people from the subjects to the citizens. As we know that under monarchy, under absolute government, people are subjects. It means subjects have not political rights. That's why before independence, Indian people were subjects because they had very little political rights, nominal political rights. That's why second difficulty was emerging the people from the subjects to the citizens. Third difficulty was partition after independence. Partition of the country after independence on the basis of religions. It was so the Indian leaders, Indian Constitution framers experienced several difficulties in making of the Indian Constitution. Now, we discuss about how was the partition a difficulty in making Constitution. At least 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of the border in partition-related violence. It means both the sides, India and Pakistan, about 10 lakh people were killed in partition related violence. There was another problem. British left the princely estates free to merge as their wish, either India or Pakistan. Several stories we know or we read about the merging of the princely estates in India and Pakistan, like Hyderabad, Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir. They were important princely estates, and merging these estates were very difficult. Our leaders had to face several difficulties to merge these estates with India, in India. Next, the merger of these princely estates was difficult and uncertain task. When the constitution was being written, the future of the country did not look as secure. Next, fourth difficulty was leaving princely estates free to merge either India or Pakistan by British rule. Next, fifth difficulties was uncertain future or uncertain and insecure future of the people that people experienced. Now we talk about the path to constitution. It means despite of all the difficulties, despite the above difficulties, there was one big advantage of makers of the Indian Constitution. What was this advantage? So India, unlike South Africa, Indian leaders did not have to create a consensus about what a democratic India should look like. It means the Indian leaders did not have to create a consensus that how should be India a democratic country. While in South Africa, leaders